Hi, good evening. My name is Gagandeep Kaur. Today I'm presenting a qualitative or quantitative topic for BUS600 research method. Firstly, I just want to say thank you to my professor in PIA to giving me this opportunity that I can learn more depth about the subject and can elaborate more and express whatever I can learn. So let's talk about the quantitative research that is on testicular tumor in dogs. So the quantitative study investigates the use of advanced ultrasounding techniques including color Doppler, B-flow, CEUS to improve the diagnosis and differentiation of testicular tumor in dogs. So what would be the key findings for that? The study found that multi-parametric ultrasounding combining various techniques was more effective in delineating the different types of testicular tumors as compared to conventional B mode. So in this, the leading cells tumors having a larger extent of pericellular intracellular blood flow. And if we're talking about the implication, the finding highlights that the importance of using advanced ultrasounding methods for the accurate diagnostic of the testicular tumors in dogs, which inform the treatment planning and improving the clinical outcome for that. So what is the qualitative research? The thematic analysis in healthcare HCL, the context of TA use, including use of thematic analysis that plays a crucial role in understanding people experiences with healthcare technologies, and also TA is widely adopted method in field of healthcare humans computer interaction to validate interview data and gain designing insights. So if we're talking about the approaches to TA, the study highlights the growing use of TA in healthcare research, but also the notes that implication that methods vary significantly. In the collaboration, the reviews also examine the increasing prevalence of team-based TA in healthcare, like in HCI research. However, if we talk about the specific methods of collaboration and their impact on research outcomes, are often well documented, created in CAP, understanding the best practicing for conducting rigorous collaboration TA studies. So how we can improve the quantitative research testicular tumors? Suggestion 1 is for improvement. Second one is comparative studies, and third one is the significant CS findings. In the suggestion and improvements, the review suggested that study could be strengthened by further evaluating effectiveness of contrast enhanced ultrasound and other advanced imaging techniques in between different types of testicular tumors in canine population, and also the comparative studies, like conducting comparative studies to assess the diagnostic accuracy for various imaging modulation and the color and the relative merit of each techniques. So the third significance is the CEUS findings. So that explore finding in predict tumor type and their clinical implication could further enhance the utility of advanced imaging techniques in the diagnosis. After that, what would be the improving quality in the qualitative research thematic? Number 1 is the standardizing report. Number 2, embarrassing. And number 3 is the enhancing collaboration. So what we can do in the standardization? The review suggests to improve the standardization report for thematic analysis and also HCA research method. In embarrassing reflection, this can help to reader better understand the researchers' perspectives and also the potential impact on the study findings. So how we can enhance the collaboration? This practice is for conducting the rigorous qualitative study in this field. So what is the quantitative research in testicular tumors in dogs? First one is tumor characterization. We need to recognize what is the type of tumor, the imaging, the contrast. And the second one is the diagnostic accuracy, and the third one is the clinical implication. In the clinical implication, the study emphasized the clinical relevance of these advanced ultrasounding techniques to ultimately lead the better outcomes for canine patients with testicular tumors. So after that, we can also see the qualitative research thematic analysis in healthcare HCL. Number 1 is the report standard, embarrassing reflexity, collaboration approaches, and enhancing rigorous. So what kind of tumors are the type of tumors for the dogs and their patterns and the diagnostic activity? The famous and the old one is the leading cell tumor. So the vascular pattern will be the large extent and intercellular or blood flow. And what will be the diagnosis accuracy for that? That improve the multi-parametric ultrasounds. So if we talk about the qualitative research analysis in healthcare, is number one is the standardized reporting, number two is embarrassing reflexity, and third, as usual, is the collaborative. So let's collaborate what will be the integration of qualitative and quantitative research. How we can collaborate both those things. Number one is the complementary approaches. Quantitative and qualitative research method can be effectively combined to provide more comprehensive understanding of complex issues in business. Number two, enhancing research and quality. And number three is informing practice. So in this combination, qualitative and quantitative can lead to more robust and actionable insights. So in this way, we can intervention in various domains such as businesses, healthcare, and beyond. After that, these are the references. So thank you so much, PIA and professor, to giving me this opportunity. I hope you like my video. Thank you. Bye.